What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install FiveM using Steam or Epic Games. And I'll also clear up a common point of confusion so you don't waste time doing unnecessary steps. First things first, you need to own GTA 5, either on Steam or Epic Games. You do not need to add FiveM as a non-Steam game in most cases, even though a lot of older guides still say that. For many people, Steam linking happens automatically. Start by opening Steam or Epic Games and claiming and installing GTA 5 if you haven't already. Let the game download fully. Once GTA 5 finishes installing, launch the game at least once. When you do this, the required prerequisites will start installing automatically. During this step, the Rockstar Games launcher will also install, so make sure you let that happen. When the Rockstar Games launcher opens, sign in or create a Rockstar Social Club account. This step is mandatory because FiveM uses Social Club for authentication and anti-piracy checks. At this point, it's a good idea, but optional, to run GTA 5 once just to make sure everything works and to set your graphics or control settings. After that, you can close the game. Now head to FiveM.net. Download FiveM and run the FiveM installer. Once it opens, sign in using the same Rockstar Social Club account you used earlier. After signing in, FiveM should automatically detect your GTA 5 installation. As long as Steam or Epic Games is running in the background, FiveM will link to it automatically. In most cases, you do not need to manually add anything to Steam. Steam being open is important because many FiveM servers require Steam to be running as part of their anti-raid and anti-bot protection, even if you don't own GTA 5 on Steam specifically. As long as Steam is running and linked, you should be able to join those servers. If FiveM launches and everything works, you're good to go. You can now browse servers and join them normally. For example, you can search for a server like Edge Gamers directly in the server browser and jump in. If you ever see an error that says Steam is required for the server, don't panic. Just close FiveM, make sure Steam is fully open and logged in, then relaunch FiveM again. That usually fixes it instantly. And that's it. That's the correct and updated way to install FiveM using Steam or Epic Games, without unnecessary steps. If this guide helped clear things up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.